privatizing the earnings and socializing the losses in the waste business. It may be similar to nuclear power plants. The companies want the earnings, but who cares about the nuclear waste? But this is energy. We're talking about waste. What do you see in the waste industry?
First of all, I'm not against private companies. I'm the last one to be against private companies. Companies just do what they have to do. They have to maximize their profits, their power, their market share, and show the revenues. I think we have to attribute to what companies do, what everyone does, its true cost. And let's take the example of disposability. That's a term I borrow from Laia Akaroglu, a researcher, Portuguese researcher. She had some very interesting, she published some very interesting articles about waste and recycling. Disposability. Now, disposability is a strategy which increases profits of private companies, producers, retailers, and sure, the more waste, the better for the waste management companies. But increasing wage means also cost. And the cost is being borne by society, especially long-term costs. Just think of landfills, how much it will cost to rehabilitate landfills, leaking landfills, old landfills. And there are examples. I know of one example here in Switzerland, a landfill where the total revenue of the landfill operator was 20 million francs, and 30 years later it cost 800 million francs to rehabilitate. So I think it's fair that future costs of waste, disposal of waste, of rehabilitation of emissions and so on, have to be borne and have a today's price.